Question 2. If the point estimate of the population mean is 8 and the margin of error is 5, then the confidence interval is what? Okay, so the mean is 8, and this is 5. Okay, margin of error is 5. So mean minus the margin of error is less than mu is less than the mean minus the margin of error, and then you just plug these in. So you have 8 minus 5 less than mu less than, it should be plus here, 8 plus 5. So on this side we have 3, and then this side we have 13. Okay, so it should be between 3 and 13. Now, how did I know to use that formula? Well, they asked for the confidence interval for the population mean. I only see two intervals, this one right here and this one right here. Okay, the population mean is represented by mu, and this is mu right here. So I need to use this formula here.